What is the difference between discipline and child abuse in a California CPS case? Now, it's kind of like blurred in terms of the difference, but typically it's pretty clear. For example, discipline would be a good example that won't typically lead to a CPS case is taking kids' items away, grounding them, and preventing them from doing certain activities. That's typically reasonable. However, what's not reasonable is when it gets to the extreme of using objects and or items to physically hit a child, leaving marks and bruising. Now, typically reasonable physical discipline is okay, such as open hand, essentially, let's say in the buttocks, or reasonable type of discipline based off of the consequences or based off of the conduct that took place from the child. Now, again, that can still lead to a CPS case. Essentially, this comes down to hopefully you don't get the wrong social worker and hopefully the child doesn't take it out of context.